Chief Meteorologist Steve Weagle joining us with the very latest.
Yeah, well, you said a lot of it, that, we have new watches and warnings in place, that hurricane warning for St. Lucie County, hurricane watch for Martin County, that's new, and the hurricane warning for Okeechobee County, and the fact that this is now a Category 5 hurricane once again. And it looks like it's going to have a little bit more of an impact on our weather too. So we're going to break down exactly what we're going to expect through the next, I would say, 36 hours. We're going to see some wild weather tomorrow evening at this time with a tornado threat and a severe thunderstorm threat as we start to get the outer bands work in. That'll be about this time tomorrow. Then in the overnight hours, the winds continue to pick up. And by Thursday morning, in early afternoon, we're going to see that some of the peak winds roll through our area. This is a well-developed Category 5 hurricane that has fluctuated somewhat in the last couple of days. It was up to 180 miles an hour. It'll make a landfall around, 3 a.m. on Thursday morning, just after midnight tomorrow night, and then track across the state. This track is a little bit farther south than it was earlier, and it's quite a bit farther south than it was 2 days ago. So it has been nudging south. Here's a closer look at it. So that landfall will be about 3 a.m. on Thursday. The down the line track takes it right over Melbourne, Palm Bay area. In Brevard County, just to the north of Sebastian and Vero, and then off the coastline. So it makes landfall as a 3. It exits the coast as a 1. So it's still a hurricane as it moves off the coast. And we're on the right side of the track here. So typically that's where you see the worst weather, the highest winds, the greatest threat for tornadoes, the highest storm surge, which will be on the west coast, and some very, very strong winds. So a hurricane warning has been issued, new ones for Okeechobee County and St. Lucie County. We had the one from earlier today that was issued for Indian River County, and we have this tropical storm warning for Palm Beach and Martin County, and a hurricane watch for Martin County. Why that dual setup? Well, tropical storm conditions are expected in the next 36 hours. Hurricane conditions, 8 o'clock advisory just came in, James is telling me, so let's go back a frame. There it is there. So the 8 p.m. Pressure down to 902. That's a big drop in the pressure again. And the track will stay the same. The new track will come in at 11 o'clock tonight, but the winds stay at 160. James, they were 165 earlier too, so they stay the same. And we have a pressure of 902, which is, impressive to say the least. I mean, it's really staggering to see a hurricane in the Gulf of Mexico with pressures that low, and we saw that yesterday when the winds were 180 miles an hour. So that's the track, and we've seen these successive runs where the track just nudges a few miles south, but it's starting to make an impact, a big impact on what we can expect here the next few days. So I want to bring in James again, and we're going to talk about, what we can expect kind of county by county for Palm Beach County. We're going to start off first, which hopefully we don't get any closer to the center of the storm.
Yeah, of course, these numbers can change. If it jogs a little bit farther south and we start seeing even more southerly trend to it, our numbers are going to go up. The farther north it goes, the less effects and impacts it's going to have on us. But as of right now, let's go through time and from area to tomorrow morning. What can you expect? Well, you still have a little bit of time for some very last minute preps because the winds aren't going to be all that strong tomorrow morning. We will have some rainfall around though. There will be some scattered showers, thunderstorms, and even a small tornado threat tomorrow morning. That increases though as we go through the day, the tornado threat, and especially into the evening hours. Treasure Coast, same deal. No big problems in the morning. You can rush anything to completion out there. Then as we get into the afternoon hours, things pick up some. The southerly winds, it'll be more out of the south and even into the first part of the evening out of the south, about 30, picking up to 50 late. The rainfall starts to increase a little bit too, and the tornado threat also increases. Also for the Treasure Coast, increasing tornado threat there. Rain chances bump up, and that south wind gusting up 55 plus miles per hour. Main event coming into the overnight. So the evening through the overnight and into Thursday morning, southwest wind picking up really strong there, 65 or so. We could still see a couple inches of rain, but that will be early on. Then some dry air moves in. We'll still have the tornado threat again early on. Dry air moves in, say, after midnight or so, and then our rain chances drop after that. Treasure Coast, same deal. The heavy threat for rainfall will be for the first half of this time period here, but boy, those winds really crank up. That's going to keep going through the morning hours too. The tornado threat again for the first half, and then decreasing. How about Thursday? Thursday morning, waking up very, very windy out there, and the storm's still over land. It's not going to exit the coast until maybe even noon to 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So we're looking at 40, 60 mile per hour winds, but more like dry out there. There's not going to be many squalls around, but the wind will be really gusty, especially the Treasure Coast, because this is really going to be its closest approach to you on the Treasure Coast for Thursday morning, and then through the afternoon it starts to pull away. The wind will go from the west and west-southwest, and it'll switch more out of the northwest after it passes, and then finally start to calm down by Thursday evening.